Hello guys, today we're gonna be making an avalanche, and I hope this doesn't fail because this is gonna be a waste of time. And let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing, the including things are a scoop, a mountain, and snow powder. So now we need the scoop first. There you go. Now we need a mountain. It doesn't matter. There you go. Now we need the powder. Now we need scissors to cut. Oh wait, we also have this jug of water, which we're gonna have to put on later in the video. So yeah. Oh, it's another bag. So, yeah, I understand now. Now, if you have a kid, do not do this. It's dangerous. So I'm gonna So we're going to pour the powder. More. Yeah. Right, there you go. Now we need the water. I'm kind of excited. We need to ignore the mess. I don't really care. It's what happens. Alright, well that's gonna fall. Let's just wait. No? Did I do it? Just gonna, oh no. What the? Oh, it feels weird. Not coming down? I guess that was a huge waste of time, but it's okay. At least, let's see if it works now. Should I just pour a big dunk?
Slowly. Enough.
Oh, I see a little bit of snow. Look on the other side. Maybe a little more. That kind of worked out. Nah, it was a fail. Well, that was a fail. Also, just wait. Avalanche, a mass of snow, ice, rocks falling rapidly down a mountainside. Now, if you see an avalanche coming, run. It damages cars.